How to cash out on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out on TikTok. Now the process itself is relatively simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your TikTok and you want to head into your profile. Once on your profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and from there you want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to head into the option that says balance, and here you want to head into the rewards option, the live rewards option. You can see my amount there, the amount that have gotten there. You want to simply tap on it and it'll take you to this page where it says withdraw. Now you want to simply tap on withdraw, and once you tap on withdraw, what you want to do is you want to tap on add payment method, and you want to add your payment method depending on your region you are in. In my case, I can add PayPal account here, but I'll not be adding, but I'm just showing you here. You want to add particular payment method that is available in your region, enter in your withdrawal amount, and then simply tap on withdraw option at the bottom of your screen and you'll be able to cash out. So this way you can cash out on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.